How to download and install HiTV app in PC or laptop. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to download and install HiTV app in PC or laptop. First of all, open web browser on your device. With the help of the search bar at top of the screen, type in BlueStacks, and on this result section, you will get plenty of the results regarding the BlueStacks websites. Simply click on the second link, that is the bluestacks.com, and open the website. Once you open it, you will land on this official homepage of BlueStacks, where you need to click on the download button and install BlueStacks application on your PC or laptop. Once it has been downloaded and installed, you will get access to this page of BlueStacks where you can easily find out the option of app layer at the bottom left corner of the screen. Simply click on it. Here you will get variety of options. Simply click on the system apps to get access to Play Store. On this pop-up box, click on Play Store at the top right corner of this box. Once the Play Store opens, with the help of the search apps and games bar at top, type in HiTV application in your PC or laptop, and then this page appears where you can click on the install button at top right corner of the screen and easily install HiTV app in PC or laptop. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos.